In the equation PV(n) constant if the value of n is in between 1 and yi. E. CPCV, then it represents a reversible process. A. Isometric. B. Polytropic. C. Isentropic. D. Isobaric. The correct answer is polytropic. Throttling process is an process. A. Reversible and isothermal. B. Irreversible and constant enthalpy. C. Reversible and constant entropy. D. Reversible and constant enthalpy. The correct answer is irreversible and constant enthalpy. The main feature of Carnot refrigeration cycle is that it A. does not need the addition of external work for its functioning. B. transfers heat from high temperature to low temperature. C. accomplishes the reverse effect of the heat engine. D. none of these. The correct answer is accomplishes the reverse effect of the heat engine. Heat of reaction at constant volume is identified with change. A. enthalpy. B. internal energy. C. either A or B. D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is internal energy. If heat contents of CH4C2H4 and C3H8 are 17.9, 12.5 and 24.8 kilocalories mole respectively, then H for the reaction CH4GC2H4GC3H8G will be cal. A. 19.4. B. 30.2. C. 55.2. D. 55.2. The correct answer is 19.4. Helmholtz free energy A is defined as A. AHTS. B. AETS. C. AHTS. D. none of these. The correct answer is AETS. As pressure approaches zero, the ratio of fugacity to pressure Fp for a gas approaches A. 0. B. unity. C. infinity. D. an indeterminate value. The correct answer is unity. For any system, what is the minimum number of degrees of freedom? A. 1. B. 0. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is 0. At 60 C, vapor pressure of methanol and water are 84.562 kPa and 19.953 kPa respectively. An aqueous solution of methanol at 60 C exerts a pressure of 39.223 kPa. The liquid phase and vapor phase mole fractions of methanol are 0.1686 and 0.5714 respectively. Activity coefficient of methanol is A. 1.572, B. 1.9398, C. 3.389, D. 4.238. The correct answer is 1.572. The variation of heat of reaction with temperature at constant pressure is given by the law A. Kelvins, B. Antonis, C. Kirchhoff's. D. none of these. The correct answer is Kirchhoff's. At absolute zero temperature, the of the gas is 0. A. pressure. B. volume. C. mass. D. none of these. The correct answer is volume. Which of the following equations is used for the prediction of activity coefficient from experiments? A. Van Laar equation. B. Margulies equation. C. Wilson's equation. D. all A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. The equation applicable to a binary solution of components A and B in equilibrium with their vapors at constant temperature and pressure is called the equation A. Van Laar, B. Margulies, C. Gibbs-Duhem, D. Gibbs-Duhem-Margulies. The correct answer is Gibbs-Duhem-Margulies. Entropy of a substance remains constant during a n change. A. reversible isothermal, B. irreversible isothermal, C. reversible adiabatic, D. none of these. The correct answer is reversible adiabatic. Gases are cooled in Joule-Thomson expansion when it is inversion temperature. A below, B at, C above, D either B or C. The correct answer is below. PVY constant holds good for an isentropic process which is A reversible and isothermal, B isothermal and irreversible, C reversible and adiabatic, D adiabatic and irreversible. The correct answer is reversible and adiabatic. Which of the following behaves most closely like an ideal gas? A He, B N2, C O2, D H2. The correct answer is He. In the reaction CO2 Co2H 94 kilocalories. What is the heat content enthalpy of O2? A 94 kilocalories, B 94 kilocalories, C 94 kilocalories, D 0. The correct answer is 0. For a constant volume process by the system is used only to increase the internal energy. A heat absorbed, B work done, C both A B, D neither A nor B. The correct answer is heat absorbed. When a system is in equilibrium for all possible processes, the differential or finite change of entropy is A 0, B 0, C 0, D none of these. The correct answer is 0. A system is said to be at equilibrium if the entropy of the system has reached value A minimum, B 0, C maximum, D none of these. The correct answer is maximum. In the equation PV(n) constant, if the value of n, then it represents a reversible process. A adiabatic, B isometric, C isentropic, D isothermal. The correct answer is isometric. Degree of freedom of the system ice water vapor will be A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. The correct answer is 0. A system in which there is exchange of energy but not of mass is called an system. A isolated, B open, C insulated, D closed. The correct answer is closed. The point at which all the three solid, liquid and gas phases coexist is known as the point A freezing, B triple, C boiling, D boil. The correct answer is triple. In an ideal gas mixture, fugacity of a species is equal to its A vapor pressure, B partial pressure, C chemical potential, D none of these. The correct answer is partial pressure. The third law of thermodynamics states that the A heat capacity of a crystalline solid is 0 at absolute zero temperature. B heat transfer from low temperature to high temperature source is not possible without external work. C gases having same reduced properties behave similarly. D none of these. The correct answer is heat capacity of a crystalline solid is 0 at absolute zero temperature. Consider the reaction CO2 Co2H 94 kilocalories. What will be the value of H for the reaction Co2CO2? A 94 kilocalories, B 94 kilocalories, C 94 kilocalories, D 94 kilocalories. The correct answer is 94 kilocalories. Which is a state function? A specific volume, B work, C pressure, D temperature. The correct answer is work. For an ideal liquid solution, which of the following is unity? A activity, B fugacity, C activity coefficient, D fugacity coefficient. The correct answer is activity coefficient. In the decomposition of PCl5 represented by PCl5, PCl3 close to decrease in the pressure of the system will the degree of dissociation of PCl5 A increase, B decrease, C not alter, D none of these. The correct answer is increase. To obtain integrated form of Clausius-Clapeyron equation from the exact Clapeyron equation, it is assumed that the A volume of the liquid phase is negligible compared to that of vapor phase. B vapor phase behaves as an ideal gas. C heat of vaporization is independent of temperature. D all ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. In case of an process, the temperature of the system increases. A isothermal compression, B isothermal expansion, C adiabatic expansion, D adiabatic compression. The correct answer is adiabatic compression. The standard state of a gas at a given temperature is the state in which fugacity is equal to A unity, B activity, C both A B, D neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A B. Cp of a gas at its critical temperature and pressure. A becomes 0. B becomes infinity. C equals 1 kilocalorie mole K. D equals 0.24 kilocalories mole K. The correct answer is becomes infinity. Troughton's ratio is given by where B molar heat of vaporization of a substance at its normal boiling point calc mole Tb normal boiling point K. ABTB, BTBB, CBTB, DTBB. The correct answer is BTB. Which of the following is true for virial equation of state? A. Virial coefficients are universal constants. B. Virial coefficients B represents three body interactions. C. Virial coefficients are function of temperature only. D. For some gases, virial equations and ideal gas equations are the same. The correct answer is virial coefficients are function of temperature only. Molar heat capacity of water in equilibrium with ice at constant pressure is cal kg mole. K. A 0, B, C 50, D 100. The correct answer is a gas can be liquefied by pressure alone only when its temperature is its critical temperature. A less than, B more than, C equal to or higher than, D less than or equal to. The correct answer is less than or equal to. Thermal efficiency of a Carnot engine can approach 100 only when the temperature of the A cold reservoir approaches 0. B hot reservoir approaches infinity. C either A or B. D neither A nor B. The correct answer is either A or B. For an ideal gas, the internal energy depends upon its only A molecular size, B temperature, C volume, D pressure. The correct answer is temperature. Compound having large heat of formation is A more stable, B less stable, C not at all stable like nascent O2, D either more or less stable depends on the compound. The correct answer is more stable. Second law of thermodynamics is concerned with the A amount of energy transferred, B direction of energy transfer, C irreversible processes only, D non-cyclic processes only. The correct answer is direction of energy transfer.